Of course, decreasing ice has been a big story in both the Arctic and the Antarctic. In fact, when we look at Arctic sea ice extent, since we've been keeping records, it has been a downward spiral. Last year was the lowest amount of ice recorded in the Arctic at the maximum at the end of winter when there should be the most ice. This year was the second lowest, 2018. We just had that back in March. And why does that matter? Well, when you have less ice in the Arctic, less than normal, that means more sunlight is getting absorbed. That's why the Arctic is warming at twice the rate. So when we head into September, the end of the Arctic summer, there's less and less of that old sea ice that sticks around through the summer and more open water. So this last winter, temperatures were way above normal, 7 to 10 degrees above normal for some places in the Arctic. Meanwhile, of course, we did see some cold in February and March. Why is that? Well, it screws up the jet stream patterns. Wind is created by temperature differences. So when you warm up the Arctic and leave the tropics mostly the same, instead of getting a normal wavy jet stream that moves in a normal wavy pattern like that, we start to get more sporadic jet streams that are weaker and are able to buckle more. So we get these extreme patterns. It just so happens that much of this month of April, we are stuck in this cold part of the jet stream, while the West Coast was very warm. And a warmer climate also holds more water vapor, so storms do get bigger. In fact, we're starting to see snowfalls getting bigger for the Midwest and the Northeast over time.